I'm tired. This journey is becoming too long. We've crossed 2 rivers, yet we've not gotten to our destination. Where are we headed? Eh? I'm tired of walking. Take me back to my kingdom.
My king, you have to calm down. Don't see your bloody hole. Calm down, make her observe, make her check the environment. And just like 2 steps now, maybe we'll throw one.
We have been walking for too long. Have you forgotten I'm a king? I'm tired of walking.
Silence. Silence.
Wait.
I can hear some noise. I can hear the footstep.
Okay, wait, make her observe now. Make her
Shut
observe.
up! Shut up! I said I can hear footsteps.
So it's you, a butterfly that calls itself a bird.
I, Njideka, will rather die than watch you take what rightfully belonged to me. Ejike, I will beat you like a boy. And then I will kill you.
I see. So nega wagonyegi. Izagara was yaga.
Ejike!
You fool!
See what now? You sabi swim?
I have no choice. I have no choice on this. I have to go through this water.
Sabi swim?
It shall be well with you, my son.
Let
this meeting bring unity and diversity amongst the 7 kingdoms. You keep to what you stand for. All I wish is for our people to see the lion in you. Show them you are son of your father. And when you return, we shall make preparation for your marriage rites.
I can't wait, Mom. I will make you proud.
Go safely. Sam? Sam? Protect him.
I will leave that one for me. Security is tight. I will protect my friends.
Go well, my son. It shall be well with you.
My prince.
Oh no, sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's alright.
Are the boys ready?
Yeah, everything is okay. They are just waiting.
I'm sorry to keep you waiting.
It's alright. It's okay.
Alright, if they're ready, then let's go. But I pray that boy Ejike don't overstep his bound this time. Because if he dare talks out of point, I, King Zuba, will personally pluck out his eyes and remind him that he's too small to wear the crown.
Look,
Temper, my king. I am very sure it will not get to it.
Oh, it dare not get to it. It dare not get to it because I will not take it this time.
It's okay. It's alright.
Nonsense.
You see, I understand the grievances your father had with his father. And now it has passed down to you and him. But my king, we must allow peace to reign.
Oh yes.
We have to find a way to make sure that peace reigns among two of you.
If they want peace to reign, then they should go about it the right way. If they want peace, they should go down on their knees and beg for it. But if they refuse to do that, I assure Ejike I will make life a living hell for him.
It's okay.
He has done too much.
It's alright. We'll find a way.
Start the car.
We were attacked. They nearly killed all of us.
What? Where is my son? Where is Ejike? Where is my son?
I don't know, Lolo. He ran into the bush. He ran into the bush. And they went after him, Lolo. They went after him. Lolo.
Tito, guards!
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 Guards! Guards!
Guards!
Guards!
No, but he must be somewhere inside the bush.
Are you mad? Did I pay you to be foolish? If in the next 20 minutes he's not dead, you'll be dead. You get him right away!
self? Who be these people self? What they pursue self? Huh? What did they happen? Now who be these people they pursue us? Let's go down their own while I go down they full them up and down. Huh?
Only one person will be behind this.
Huh?
Only one person.
Who be that?
King Zuba. That idiot has been threatening me since the preparation of this conference. He has always wanted a fight with me, but he's trying to strive where his ancestors failed.
Eh, see, my sis, my king, make I tell you. Now me there here. Nothing go happen. Nobody go fit do anything. Shh. Security is tight. Shh.
Mother. Not yet, Mother, but soon. He's locked in. He can't escape his fate. Affirmative, Mother.
Rest! See, look at me. I'm not joking with you here. I said, where are the rest of you? You don't know, eh? I see. You don't know. You will not today. I'm joking, huh? Then, since you don't know, eh? You have to join your ancestors. Hey! Ah! Let's go.
What is it? We are attacked, my precious. Jesus Christ. By whom? Oh my God. No. My brother, is he okay? Is he fine?
I can't say much about him.
No. Gather everyone. We are leaving. Go out!
Okay, my brother.
My brother, no.
You are ready, my princess.
Okay, let's go.
No, you can't go with us. It's risky out there.
Why?
You are the only surviving royal blood. I suggest you stay back and watch over.
I am the princess of this kingdom. I will not stay while my brother is in trouble. I am no coward. We ride together.
For my princess.
It is an order.
She needs rest.
Really?
Yeah. And she's very lucky I came as fast as I could. Her BP is very high. Very, very high. But I've given her something to subside the whole thing.
Thank you very much, doctor.
You're welcome. I'll come back later to check up on her.
Okay then, thank you. We appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, sir.
Where are you? King Ejike, show yourself now.
I can't go any further.
No, please don't talk like that. You will go back to the kingdom and take the required treatment, right? I know who's behind this. Ejike is behind this. He sent his thugs to stop me and my cabinet members from getting to the conference. All because you want to silence me. I, Igwe Zuba, cannot be silent. Never. I should take my turn of flesh. His entire kingdom would be wiped away. Oh no, you will go home. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
For hours now.
Princess, I think I've missed the turn.
Are you mad? The king is in danger and you're here missing the turn. My friend, will you move this car before it's too late for us?
Hello, Mom. Okay.
way, man.
Ejike.
I told you you're trying to strive where your ancestors failed.
Ejike.
For the death of my Onowu and other innocent souls, I will kill you with my bare hands.
Zuba, I repeat, you are trying to strive where your ancestors failed. How dare you attack me and my people?
I did not attack you. You killed my people. And you, Ejike, you will pay dearly for it.
What nonsense are you blabbing about? I know nothing about the attack.
Ejike, fight like a man. Fight me like a man.
Huh? I don't fight, I kill.
Igwe, Butwe. Butwe, please. I know say your blood is hot, but I beg. Butwe, I dey beg you. Please, I beg. Carry your hand down.
You carry the face you with gun. You dey carry blood, the face gun. What will be your problem, sir? I beg, Oga Zuba, stay one place.
How dare you? Have you gone insane? You must address me as King Zuba, you moron.
You and who they do king for Esther Forest? I beg, come for here. See the only king go and know for here. Then they tell me you say one place, man, I not go kill you. They do another thing.
My king, please. Butwe, please forgive him. No say your blood is hot. I beg.
Face me like a man. For my people that you kill, you will pay for it. You will pay so dearly for it.
I did not kill your people.
You killed my people and you killed my own.
Attack you. I thought you were the one attacking us.
I do no such thing. I thought you know me better.
This one say we attack him. This one say you attack us. Who be the attacker? Where they attack you, they attack us. See, what I want to say, say, you see what we do now? Yeah, we do not dey safe. Maybe we better come up for here. Before the attacker will attack you, we go attack us. Go attack us for here.
If you are not the one that attacked us, who then is behind the attack?
How do I know? That question is for you to answer, Ejike.
Yeah?
Not be me, oh! Not be me, oh! Not be me! Ha! Okay, you say attacker will attack us. Go attack you. Who can be the attacker where they attack us? Where can they attack you? Who be the midfielder attacker where they attack us? But we come up for here because we don't know who be the attacker where they attack us. Because the attacker be the one place they attack us. We know if you know. Make we come up for here.
To where?
Don't follow us. Find your way.
Okay, find your attacker. Make we focus on the place where they attack us. Attack your attacker, no attack us. Wait for me. Wait for who? But where?
Don't kill me. Please don't kill me. I don't know what is going on. Please don't kill me. I'm only a driver. Please don't shoot me. I don't know what is going on. I'm just a driver. Don't shoot me, please.
Where is it?
I don't know. I don't know what is going on. I'm just a driver. Please don't shoot me. Don't shoot me.
Don't get me angry. You don't want to see that side of me. Where the fuck is Ejike? I'll blow your fucking brains, please!
I don't know. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me.
Where is Ejike?
I don't know. All of what is happening, I don't know.
Where is Ejike?
They went this way. Please don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Please don't shoot me. Don't shoot me, please. Please.
My princess, My princess. What happened to the king? What am I hearing? Oginime.
I don't know. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to believe anymore. We searched everywhere. Every corner of this kingdom. There was no sign of him. I don't even know.
It's okay.
I don't know if he's still alive.
It's okay, my princess. We believe he will return to us. He will return. But the main thing, the major thing now, is for you to hold yourself together. To be strong-willed. The burden of the kingdom lies on your shoulder until he comes back.
Ijie, am I expected to handle all this? How do I cope? Ruling a kingdom in his absence. I can't.
He will come back.
I can't do this.
He will come back to us.
Ijie, I want my brother.
Do you know what I can never?
Stop there. What's the matter? What's the matter? Hey, sister. What's the problem? Please stay there. Calm down. Bring it down a
Yeah. My prince, you dey see am? What is that? What's going on? You dey feel am?
I don't understand.
Say your eye dey work.
See, my king, you see this water? This water like this is the only pathway to my mama village. Now when we cross this water, now we go get freedom. Now this water now I cross before I come walk with you. You don't understand? But we put body, may we come out.
Listen, I don't know what you're insinuating, but trust me, I'm not going to step my foot on that water. Note this.
See, I tell you, no dey insult me, oh. You know the comment I get with this water. You go collect water, no dey insult me, oh.
Listen. I have phobia for water. I can't step my foot into this river.
Hey, listen. It's foretold that I have parts with Goddess of the Water, and I've been doing everything possible to avoid them. I, King Zuba, is telling you, moron, that I will not step my foot on that water. So I don't know what you're doing.
You see what I thought? I be say you na papi water now. Come take the lead now. Call it on me, come on for here. My king, you see now. Let me see, I go enter markets. Yeah, because all these mommy water them, the babes where they did for this water now, they go need something like Fanta, sweet, shawarma. What they don't do all right now.
How are you coping with this deluded and demented human being? What is your problem? Sometimes you talk as if you're normal, and sometimes you go off track. What has market got to do with this godforsaken place?
Okay. I pardon you, I forgive you. You know, make I do one or two now. Make I consult the spirit where they this water now.
After as well, the landlady don't show. You see, now the landlady of the water now they here. I be agent, oh. Now I be the main landlord. Now they collect the full money, not be percentage. Mama, you see, you need to relax, me package. You see, I don't really look all this they're dressing. They're my boys. You get us to make one or two movements. Our movement no clear, so we need to cross the water. I say, I beg, no verse. Our life is threatened. Just pardon us now. We are your own now. On a very good day, they do things. Allow us to pass. Yeah?
The house of Ijele is a no pathway. Your request is being denied.
Oh, why they talk?
Go back!
See, Mama, you don't understand. You don't know me. I be covenant child for you. See here they control boys. We they come here, we they pour Fanta, we they pour Coke, we they pour NEC, we they make the mommy water there happy, we they flex them. I get covenant. See, make I tell you, I be full blood of Imusu. We get covenant with this water now. Even for 100 years. The sacrifice we don't do here, the flesh we don't flesh this water now. Our covenant see day. I bet no verse. Allow me to cross this my boys. Don't they look all those guns with their hold there. Now my people, you understand? We go cool.
Umusu, I recall having a covenant with your people.
Bam.
You can pass.
Hey! If we hear my praise, come on your shoe. This big shoe the way I don't like it. Come on your shoe. You bodyguard, come on for there. Big fool. No go follow us. Come out where? Go to where? Where are you going to? Are you insane?
Listen, I'm not doing this with you.
Thank you.
Let's take another route.
That is it. See the landlady there here. Me, I don't pay full rent. Pay total package. Pay everything. Agent fee. Everywhere they alright. May we cross this water. May everybody they okay.
I said no. I'm not doing this with you. Let's take another route.
Ejike, I didn't know that you'll be moving with a madman. This man is a madman.
Eh? That's what in the verse me. Not be everything they're going to use handcuff. My prince, make I hang you, may we cross. Let me they tell you.
Listen, we are going nowhere. You've heard him. We are going nowhere. Another route.
See, the landlady there here. I don't pay rent. No need to panic now. Transaction successful. Transaction successful.
Cross now!
Oga. See, my Igwe, I know they disrespect you. Waiting. Come on for there. Where my my keep pepper? Come on for where? My are you stupid? Left or right?
Dad.
See, I'm doing my best.
No. I give you 20 minutes to give me a clean job. What's your time? What's your time? What's your goddamn time? Oh! Pick it up. Pick it up! Pick up your gun.
Listen, I understand how this feels. I've been chasing them all around the forest. You give me a job, just give me more time so that I can deliver.
Pick it up. I said you should give me a clean job. A clean job. But clearly, you cannot eliminate Ejike. I give you 3 seconds to pick up your gun. Pick it up. 1, 2. Pick up your goddamn gun! Good. Now shoot me. Clearly, you cannot kill Ejike. Now I want you to shoot me.
Listen, I'm a professional in this game.
Shoot me! You have 3 seconds to shoot me. 1, 2, 3. Ah! You shall not pass. You are not welcome here. My chi tells me to pass. Now get the hell out of my way. The house of Ijele has no part. Go back! And if I don't, I will not warn you again. You made a very big mistake, Ijele. The house you claim to own shall in turn be your prison hall.
Women of Umuelem Kingdom, I understand how devastated you are. Likewise, our mothers. Umuelem grieves. But we must be on top of the situation. Thank the gods that Afam escaped and came to the palace to inform us immediately. Afam, take these women to the crime scene. I'll make sure that the youths join you before you get there. When you get there, I want you to do two things for me. One, recover all the bodies. Two, I want to have the list of all those that are missing. Please.
You are awake?
Where is Ejike?
My queen. Let me go get the elders right away.
Where is Ejike? Ejike, where?
That is trouble, 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 pains, if you
What is keeping Ejike? What's keeping Ejike now? Huh? Eh? Ejike is not coming forth.
Oga, correct yourself. Correct yourself. Now my king, now you they refer to as Ejike. I don't know what they worry you. I don't know why they do you. Respect yourself. Don't use my kid to play. You
shut up. Shut your trap.
No problem.
Do I look like your mate? Listen, I've told you before. I have your type in my palace. I have as many as anyways, I don't.
They tell me about you have your type. They tell me know how many guys I don't train. During my man no war experience. No why I be. Know how many for my if you qualify to be guard, we go work under me. Huh? I don't for man no war, for boy scout. You use me play. Now small thing make I join army. So don't they tell me that one. I don't want you no refer to my ogas Ejike. Now I'm going to get problem for you.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault we're all in this forest together. Otherwise, urchins like you wouldn't see me anywhere to talk to. Hey. What have you done?
Ha. What have I do?
The atmosphere smells like a rotten egg, accompanied with the 2 week sour beans. Why would you do this kind of a thing now, eh? What did you eat?
Your food with that. What did I eat? That's what, that reminds me. You know what I eat? Stay one place, may I tell you something? Calm down. Make this mess no go kill you. See, when I tell you, Amaka, Amaka dey cook beans. Anytime Amaka dey cook beans, no dey ever allow beans make it done. As he cook beans that day, the thing no fit on me. I enter am, I eat am. And I eat am, come and now eat shawarma. As I go eat shawarma, I go see draw soup when I miss it. After I combine all of them together, my belly come dey do me one kind, they do me one kind. They also make I throw away small give me. But very soon I go shoot sha. But
don't try this nonsense.
Oga,
listen, don't try this nonsense before me.
Oga,
do you know you're before a king? And then you dare pollute before me.
No, they call yourself a king. My king, you know there they said before a king. Stop this, you know. I thought you said I'll mess again. In short, I go shit for here if you talk that thing again. What did they do you? I said I go shit for here, they follow me, they argue.
You dare not do that.
You dare not
do that.
You know, I go shit for here. This is an off do. I go shit for here now.
Don't try that rubbish.
If you don't come up for here, I go shit for here.
Don't try that rubbish.
You're a big fool. Come now. They go to Sienna as a king. King, kill you there. They open your letter, they call my king by your name. Come here, make this shit kill you. I go shit for here. If I shit this shit, South Africa can come meet you. They play with my shit. Nothing my shit don't do. My shit they shade crowd. My shit they pursue witches and wizards. They follow me, they argue. Come here now. I'm sure I go shit this shit for here. If I champion, I can't follow me for free. No.
Lolo.
Where's my son?
Oh, your son is alive and fine.
Where is Ejike? Where is Ejike? Oh!
My Lolo, King Ejike is fine and he is alive.
Iche, are you saying the truth?
I'm saying the truth. I swear with my life. The doctor recommend that you rest. So please rest.
When am I going to see him?
When you are fully recovered from this challenge and doctor recommends that you have enough rest.
Oh. Ejike mo. Mama.
My princess, your food is ready.
Get out from that door!
I'm not hear you, ma.
I said get out! Who asked you for food? I don't want to see you in my room again.
There is trouble.
Because I've already summoned me before you came. Then I need not tell you why you have been summoned. Go and tell them that I'm coming.
Igwe, I hope you are getting better.
Honestly, I don't think I'm going to skate through this.
Your Majesty, please don't talk like this. You'll be fine, okay?
I summoned both of you here for a reason. Lolo,
Your Majesty.
you are my first queen, the mother of my son, the prince, the heir apparent to my throne in this kingdom. And you, Lolo, you also blessed me with a wonderful, hot-headed daughter.
My king, do not take it so hard to your heart. It's just useful exuberance. I know she will come around. But she'll come around.
I do hope so. You both are well.
the customs and tradition in this kingdom. Princess Ijideka has no inheritance. No inheritance goes to her. Unless, of course, she's legally married. However, if she's able to find a suitor before my son, the husband automatically becomes the prime minister. Alongside the prince, they shall rule this kingdom.
Like I said, I'm aware of that, and something must have to be done to that effect.
No.
My lord.
Prepare the prince, my son, for his coronation. He is the son of a lion, and he will do better than I've ever done. Prepare him.
Oh, come on, Mom. I don't like this. You should try knocking before barging into my room, goddammit.
You are delusional, Njideka. Yes, you are. Instead of you to be processing on how to grab a good portion of this kingdom for yourself, you are busy here drinking and smoking yourself to stupor. Must I do everything for you? Huh?
What have I done this time around?
Everything. In fact, the question would have been, what have you not done? Njideka, by now you are supposed to have gotten a man standing by waiting to get married to you. But no, you are drinking, you are smoking. Need I remind you that if anything happens and your father joins his ancestors, that you will lose everything?
That's bullshit. Mom, I thought that law has been abolished a long time ago.
Abolished? Who did? Okay, you. You had better wake up from this, your slumber, and go grab yourself a man that will get married to you.
Wait, what?
You heard me. I was explicit. Enough.
It is true, my queen. The princess, your daughter, needs a husband right now. In fact, immediately. And let me shock you. If her husband eventually becomes the prime minister of this great kingdom, he can contest for the throne of Umole Kingdom when the king is not available.
No, wait. Maziodele, you are kidding me, right? This is a joke, right?
It is true. It is not a joke. Let me inform you. I, Maziodele, I'm a custodian of the custom and laws of this land. If her husband eventually becomes the prime minister, he's next in line to the throne, and therefore he can contest for it when the king is not available.
Maziodele, a husband is not some commodity you can go down to a nearby supermarket and purchase. How do we get my daughter a suitable suitor at this moment?
I grew up in this land. I have been in this community for ages. There's a young man, befitting, handsome, the type you will love, my queen. I will have a word with him. And I know he will be interested in our princess.
That sounds nice. But then, who is he?
Relax, my queen. Relax. You will see him. Trust me on that.
Thank you.
Rubbish. Where's my fucking cigarette?
Are you insane, Njideka? Let me ask you. Njideka, are you mad?
Or does it mean that your cognitive domain is no longer functional? Why did you trash that man in that manner?
Ma, that fool made me go to a garbage disposal house to wait for him for hours. I had to teach him some manners.
You had better drop these shoulders of yours until it is necessary for you to raise them. Njideka, we had a plan. We had a target of something we would want to achieve, but you ruined everything. Listen, if you want to wallow in an empty future, it is entirely your business. But give me your ears. You are going back to that man and you will apologize to him.
Over my dead body will I do such a thing, mother. I won't.
You dare challenge me?
Oh, I'm sorry, mother.
If you dare, in your stupid life, raise your voice this much at me, I will teach you a very miserable lesson. And I will equally tell you how I conjured you into this world, fool.
I wouldn't be here if not for the appeals of your mother and your uncle.
Look, I'm sorry, okay? But you made me do it. A young guy like you should have a class, but clearly you don't. You are so classless.
Really, is that your apology?
Excuse you? Wait. Do you expect me to crawl, worship at your feet? Is that what you want? Huh? That I should beg you? Cry, probably.
Njideka, you're delusional.
Okay, wait. Look, I'm sorry. For real though, I am. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Can you just hang on, let me go in and get dressed? I would like to come with you. We could just go to your house, chill for some days.
Okay, fine. I'll be waiting for you.
But again, you should have some class, you know.
Something else.
Oh,
You're welcome to my home. Meet my mom.
My daughter, you are welcome.
And so, where are your maids? I mean, no one is here to serve me. You don't have any?
My mom just greeted you.
Oh, hi. Now I understand why you have a very poor taste. Take me to my quarters. Where is it?
It's fine.
Let's go! Yeah.
You're welcome once again. Please make yourself comfortable, okay? And also, what do I offer you?
A glass of Hennessy with 3 wraps of marijuana, because I need to clear my head from all this rubbish that I've been seeing around.
Mari, what? You smoke that?
Did they walk you? I don't understand. Carry waiting I ask come for me now. I don't understand.
I'm sorry, okay? I don't have such at home and I don't condone such acts in this house.
Exactly, it's that simple. If you don't have what I asked for, then you get the hell out of my face.
Okay.
Wow. Okay. Just go. What kind of nigga doesn't have a Hennessy and marijuana in this generation? This guy.
Call this woman. Where did you pick this one up from?
Mama, I'm really sorry, okay? What did he talk me into this? He said it was for the betterment of the family. Mama, I don't even know how long I can go on with this nonsense. I don't know.
Oh. She's the princess you talked about. This one, a princess. She doesn't act like a princess. Makes me question who raised her.
Mama, please. Okay, let's just give her some time to adjust. I believe she will change.
Oh, change. She will change. No problem. I will join you in that prayer. We will all pray she change. She will change.
Mama, let me just get her some water to drink.
Hey! Hey. Put that off, okay? What are you doing? Put that off.
I don't understand. Did they walk you? Huh? You know, give me waiting I asked for. I decided to manage this one. So what's your problem?
Njideka, I made it clear to you that I don't condone such acts in my house. I told you you're not allowed to smoke, so what are you doing?
Well, I'm your princess. And you are bound to respect my decisions.
Let me have it. This is my house. You must respect my rules and my regulations.
And if I don't, what will you do about it? No, say it. Do it, because I want that thing with a whisper in your head. May you push you, may you do something. Let's see how it plays out. What are you going to do about it?
Njideka, I do not want to argue with you, okay? You're not allowed to smoke here. And that is my decision.
Your decision?
Yes.
I'm going to smoke here.
You are not going to smoke.
No, I want you to do your worst.
Njideka, you are not allowed to do so.
Do your worst.
This is my house.
And this is my house.
Njideka, are you challenging me?
I am your princess. Get that into your dumbass skull.
Moya, ejura yimanja. Her spirit is higher, nene. Kina yanora na the same page. There is something in her mind.
Why are you still up? You should be sleeping by now.
Mama, I can't sleep.
Why? What's happened here?
That idiot spoiled the atmosphere of my bedroom with marijuana.
What? No. She smokes? Hey, Jesus. Are you sure this guy is from a royal home? Because I've never seen anyone from a royal home that does the kind of things she does.
Mama, you've seen one now. You've seen one now, Mama. I don't know what is happening.
This is serious. Hey. What is this?
going to do? You're going to sleep here? Mama, I don't have any option. I'll just sleep here. It's fine, Mama. Don't worry. I'll be alright, okay? I'll be fine.
No, try and get some sleep. Oh, let me go and rest my head before I catch a day. Oh?
Alright, Mama.
Be cool.
Thank you.
Try and sleep.
Alright, good night, Mama.
Hey!
She gets a target, I go love on the Akoya Mancha. I want to fuck him, I go love on the Akoya Mancha. I want to target, I go love on the Akoya Mancha. I want to pull out, I go love on the Akoya Mancha. I want to pull out, I go love on the Akoya Mancha.
My mom needs you at the kitchen.
I don't understand. What for?
I don't know. Go and find out yourself.
Are you okay at all? Huh? Then they walk you. Huh? That I should go do what? Am I the one that told you not to employ a maid? Do I look like one to you? Collins, please! Don't even get me started. Don't get me angry. You don't even want to see that side of me. What is it now? What is it?
Njideka, let me understand something. Did you forget your purpose here? You are here so we can get along and get married as husband and wife. So what is all this you're doing?
Exactly. And so where does being a maid comes in?
It is obvious that you don't have a clue on what it is to become a wife.
Clearly, I see where being a wife has landed your mother.
Are you stupid? You don't throw words at my mother. Are you stupid?
What do you want to do, Collins? Huh? What do you want to do? Hit me? Huh? You're a big boy. You're a man. You have hands. Now I want you to use those hands on me. Hit me! No, come on, do it! Hit me, Collins! Hit me! And let's see if these hands will still belong to you. Now do it!
You know what? You're a disaster.
No, you want to flex muscle?
You're a disaster.
So is your pathetic small life, idiot! You're a bastard! I mean, can you imagine this fool? That I should come assist your mother. Tell your mother to come assist me. She should come wash my pants, dress my hair, comb it. Bastard. Fool. You all lack manners in your family. Can you imagine?
Moya, ejura yimanja. Her spirit is higher than Kinayana on the same page. Oh, well, there is something in her mind. Kinayana on the same page.
Mazi, that is what happened. Understand, my son. Temper justice with mercy. You of all people should understand that quarreling and anger do not solve any problem. They only worsen and escalate and make the matter worse.
Mazi, I have tried so hard to enjoy that idiot. I have tried so hard. That girl smoked in my room, forced me to sleep in the parlor. She constantly belittled and downgraded my mother and I. I'm no longer interested, and that's final.
No, my son. No. No. Don't say that. Calm down. I'm aware it's barely 3 days you took her into your house. You are still understanding and studying her. With time, as time progresses, you will understand her idiosyncrasies and you will learn to live with her more amicably. We are talking about you becoming the Prime Minister of Uleme Kingdom here. Yes. Yes.
Mazi, I don't understand.
Okay. Marry the princess today and you become the Prime Minister of Uleme Kingdom. I'm talking about you becoming, do you know, the Prime Minister of Uleme Kingdom. second only to the king. Her idiosyncrasies, her troubles shouldn't bother you much. You should be more focused and think and see you becoming the prime minister as your priority, my son. That's what I'm talking about. Her idiosyncrasies, you will understand, son.
What is this? This is the worst meal I have had in 10 years. Woman, don't you know how to cook? Why so much pepper?
Will you shut your mouth? Why didn't you come to the kitchen to make the food yourself? Or did my son not tell you that I needed your help in the kitchen?
Then they walk you.
What?
Huh? No, they asked you, then they walk you. Did your son not tell you that you are hosting a royal princess?
Please, okay? You both don't have to fight because of food. Angelica, if you don't like it, we can order for something else, please.
Are you being serious right now? Collins!
Mommy, you have to calm down, okay?
Enjoy your soon-to-be wife, your soon-to-be bride. Enjoy.
There's old hag.
Angelica, stop it, please. You need to stop insulting my mother. I don't like it.
What do you mean?
Stop insulting her.
Your mother clearly prepared poison for me to eat. What is this?
We can order for something else. You don't need to insult her. In my presence.
Just call a spade a spade. She doesn't know how to cook.
Order for something else, please. Mama, why are you doing to me? Mama, stop. Mama, stop.
I'm leaving your house. Since you have decided to intertwine with the devil, then Collins, count me out. I'm going to my house. Can that baby?
Mama, be calm now. Be calm. I don't like her behavior as well. But Mama, please, just exercise patience, please.
You don't like her behavior? Then send her out of this house. What is she still doing in this house? See, Collins, why are you so patient with her now? What is going on, my son?
Mama Mazi Odili told me that if I get married to her, that I will become the prime minister of this kingdom.
Prime Minister what?
Mama, that is the custom of our people. I am not too excited about it, but something in me wants to give it a try.
Something in you? I know what that something in you is. It is called greed. You want to sacrifice your life for a position that will later be a bone on your own neck. Collins.
Mama.
Collins Inwam, I am disappointed.
Mama, I'm sorry, but Mama, please, let's just give it a try.
Pick up one news, I cannot be pick up.
Calm down now, Mama.
Leave the road, I want to go to my house.
Mama, please, just calm down, okay? I beg you, calm down. Please, I know what I'm doing. Please.
Collins, my son, I'm so disappointed at you. One news, I cannot be pick up. Mama, calm down. Leave the road.
Moya, a jura manja, her spirit is higher, Nene, Kinayana, and the same page. Oh, well, there is something in her mind. Kinayana, and the same page.
You didn't open the door, please. Open the door. Njideka, why are you treating me like this now? Huh? Do you know what the time is? Open the door, please. Njideka.
There is something in her mind. the same page. Odigo correct. Odigo.
I will break this door. I will break. Open this door now, please. What's all this nonsense?
Odigo correct. Odigo. Ojefegubu. Ojego.
Njideka, you can hear me, right? I said open this door.
Devil is in charge, you know, Biggie. You give a when Salah, come at time with believe. Wait to know, Biggie. Wait to know, Biggie. Go fella.
Collins. What is going on in this house? I couldn't sleep last night. Is this a disco house? With the loud music all through. What is going on, my son?
Mama, I'm really sorry. I tried getting into the room to turn it off, but she refused. She locked me outside, Mama. She locked me outside my room in my own house. I tried getting into the room to turn it off, but she refused, Mama. She locked me outside in my own house. I just got into the room this morning to freshen up and change my clothes.
Here! Collins, you are not yet married to this girl. And you are feeling the heat this much. What if you eventually get married to her? You burn in flames. Collins. You know, by then, that ministerial position that is getting into your head, it will no longer matter. Collins, where did you go?
Njideka, what is wrong with you? Do you even care about me and my comfort? How could you lock me out of my room in my own house, Njideka? Is something wrong with you?
Your house? Come on, baby boy. This is my house now. We're getting married, remember? So that makes this place my place too. And I choose to do whatever I want to do with this place.
You know, it is obvious that I'm about to make a grave mistake. We're not even married yet, but I can see how much of a disaster you are, Njideka. You're a big mistake.
You want me to fake it? Did they walk you? Make a fake calm? For who? You. To please you. Are you mad or something? Listen, go ask about me. I don't fake shit for nobody. If you're not pleased with me, you get the hell out.
Njideka, I should get out.
Yeah, you heard me, dumbass. Get the hell out. Look at you. Men of caliber, did they die to have me, Njideka, the princess. And here you are, huh? And you're here, you, acting like you're doing me a favor. You're sick, bloody faggot. You're a faggot, you know that, yeah? Fool.
Njideka, soon we shall know who owes you a favor.
Get the hell out! Bloody faggot. Look at this nigger. Acting like you own the world, whereas you have nothing to your faded name. Fuck you! Fuck you.
With all due respect, Ma, I'm no longer interested in your daughter. I cannot cope with her. She's a tough bone to chew.
And who asked you to chew her? Let her be. This is not in any way an emotional relationship.
is strictly on business. You have your benefits, my daughter has her benefits. Just live as if you people are housemates or anything, provided that this works.
Why? There is no way I can live comfortably with your daughter. She's chaotic. She always finds a way to spike me or my mother.
Well then, name your price. Let's have it. I am all ears. Name your price.
This isn't about money. I have a good job. I'm not hungry. I'm comfortable, ma. So please, ma, I would say this one more time. You have to find someone else for your daughter. Please. And that is why I'm here to pass this message to you, ma. I'm sorry, ma, if I may sound kind of harsh, but it's just what has been happening since you came into the house. I'm sorry about that. Have a great day, ma.
I see you're about to go out.
Yes, I want to go see the love of my life.
Oh, that is beautiful. So when are you going to invite her for dinner?
Soon.
No, you have to be specific because I wouldn't want you to take me unaware.
Alright. I will tell you when I return.
Good. My regards to her, okay?
She will hear. This is good.
Thank you.
Yes?
No, my friends, I just hear you. That meat is a fine meat.
If you're hungry, just say it. Would you be just say? Do you still have food here?
Oh, yes, I have some inside.
Please help my friend.
I'll be right back.
My friends, thank you. My friends, this is your woman. This is your woman on 5G network.
Can you just shut up?
You know, say, woman will go far for life. Now, from the beginning, that they know. see cow head now. See meat. It had to be like chain cover of the leg. Chain cover of the cow leg. Manyoma. Manyoma, thank you. Thank you, God bless you.
Don't mind him. Anytime he sees food, he goes gaga.
Your chief guard is really funny.
Crazy motherfucker.
Don't worry, next time you come, I'll make you an Nollywood soup. I'll phone you.
You the mouth, eh? You the princess. I'm the goddamn princess. If I tell you something, you listen to me. And the thing is, when you cook food, you don't mind the arguing. The arguing you also say, see, I don't know what that is called, eh? I don't know what that is called. You like
To hell with
want you in the Prime Minister position. You're leaving this house.
Collins, now my blood you show me like this, eh? Collins, now my blood you show me. You don't buy market. Collins, you don't buy market. You know you don't ask question, eh? Go ask question. Collins, you're a small boy. Say your yourself, you go very much. Oh, you carry my bag home, eh? You broke my bag, eh? Collins, Collins, you broke my bag. Collins, I am coming back. I am coming back.
Mama!
Collins, come out!
If I come out there and meet you, if I come out there now.
Damn you, Collins! Damn you! We're gonna have a rematch! This is no longer Collins! It's no longer! I'm your princess! You should fucking respect me!
Leave them!
Greetings, Father. How are you feeling today?
My son, a smile on your face just brought a little bit of relief to my heart.
I'm glad it did.
I would love to know what is it that gladdens your heart. Tell me, is it a woman?
Yes, Father, it's a woman.
What's her name?
I call her Shasha. She's a beautiful soul and a wonderful cook.
That's very important. Who are her people?
I don't know yet, but I will inquire from her.
Please do, so we can do the needful immediately.
I will, Father. Do you need water or something?
Yes, just water will do.
Alright, I will instruct the maidens to serve you water immediately.
Lord, I understand. I'm pleading on behalf of that young man. He said your daughter, the princess, was seen fatting the mother. Like every other young man, he acted on impulse and he did what he did. I have cautioned him. He has repented. He is very remorseful as we talk right now.
Listen to me. I want to ask you, did you see my daughter's face? I mean, did you see the scar that young man inflicted on my daughter's face? Do you know that that scar could stay on my daughter's face forever? Never. I won't take this sitting down. It is true. I am desperate for a husband for my child. But I will never, never pay a deaf ear to someone that wants to hurt my child. Never. The young man was trying to protect his mother, right? It is my turn to defend my daughter.
Lolo, it has not gotten to that. Lolo, remember how this whole thing started? I said I will handle it. I have spoken to the young man. As we speak, he's remorseful. Let me handle this matter. Remember how this whole thing started?
Exactly the reason I am still standing here, listening to your baseless assertions.
Oh, Lolo, it has not gotten.
Mazi Odele, I am sorry. But as far as I am concerned, this discussion is over.
Excuse Lolo. Lolo! Ah!
Uncle, I will not apologize to anybody. I will not apologize to her. That fool came into my house with fire and brimstone. Uncle, she did so many things to this house, I ignored her. But one pill I refuse to swallow is that the fact that she has the guts to fight with my mother in my own house, Uncle. That is a cost to her life, she don't know. That is a cost to her.
I know how terrible it is, my son. I know how you feel about all this. But you see, I'm concerned because of the impending trouble that is coming. My people say that an old man sitting down sees more than what a young man sitting on top of an iroko tree can see. I don't want trouble for you, my son. You see, the Queen Hamunda is a terrible woman.
Uncle, I do not care about the Queen. I do not care about her. Uncle, if anyone dares to touch me in this kingdom, I will burn this kingdom and nothing will happen. They might have connection, but I will tell them that I'm a street boy. And I know my way around in this kingdom. If anybody fucks with me, the person will see the other side of me.
Because my son, I do not want that woman to hurt you or your mother in this our community. Please, I beg you. Biko, my wife, please talk to your son. I'm sure he will listen to you and understand what I'm saying.
Maz, what do you want me to say? What do you want me to say? I have nothing to say, Biko. My lips are sealed. I don't have anything to say.
My prince, you are here. Hey, my prince, you see this your stepmother and stepsister. This would be bandit, oh. You see whether they go on for that backyard there. No be small Mendy. Hey, you see that guy? Now 5 guards don't frog grace come on for that guy body. Whether they go on for that backyard and now confirm select deliverance.
Which guy are you talking about?
One guy like that. He face they come, they go. I don't see him for this palace before. That's how the guy na him and princess they waka. Yes. And the guy I don't first see him princess they waka. My princess don't go believe what they happen. My prince. My prince. Ah! 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 Please! Ah! Ah! Please!
I don't tell you. When you and your mama, they flex muscle for me.
Please!
I tell you now.
Ah!
Go run am.
Please!
Ah! I don't tell you, huh?
Ah!
I tell you, say, you go get ransom.
What is going on?
Huh?
Stop!
Ah!
What is going on here and what has he done to deserve this treatment?
And what business of yours is it?
This is going on in my palace and that makes it my business.
I see. You are not yet the king. You are already claiming the palace. What will happen when you become the king? What else will you claim? Maybe you claim this kingdom and all the kingdoms around the neighborhood.
I am too hot to be exchanging words with you. You will untie this man, clean him up and let him go, because if anything happens to him, you will answer to it.
Ejike, are you in any way trying to threaten me?
I am not threatening you, I am warning you. Untie him.
See, Ejike. Come on. This matter, it no concern you. Ejike, this thing na my fault. And I know they like and when they try put body on top matter we no concern you, make you no hurt your feet. You dey feel me? Ejike, come up body for this one. This one here, you no concern you.
You lack home training. Is this a princess? I'm disappointed in you. Who is he to you, if I may ask?
Ejike, I said this one no concern you. Come on body, oh. Come on body.
I am the crown prince of Umuele Kingdom. The king to be. That means I am in charge of whatever happens around this vicinity. Untie this young man, clean him up and set him free. It's an order.
Ejike, come on body, oh. Ejike, now you dey find me now, oh. Now you dey find me, oh. Now they see am, oh. This meat here na my own, oh. Ejike, now you dey find me, oh. No be when I go start now, they go say Njideka, you don't start, oh. Ejike, come on body.
Mama! Mama! Ah! Mama! Hey! Mama!
Mama! Guys! Hey, Mama! What happened to you? Who did this to you, Mama? What happened? What happened? Hey! Oh my God! What happened? Hey! Let's go to the hospital now. Hey! Collins, oh yeah, come, let's go upstairs. What really happened, eh? Hey!
What? You sent for me?
Yes, my son, I did. Come closer. Give me your hands.
I hope all is well.
Give me your hands, son. Today, I release my blessings upon you. You shall rule in peace, in love, in unity, and in tranquility. Your reign shall know no sorrow.
It's
greater things shall you achieve, even greater than I ever achieved. Your reign shall be prosperous, my son. And above all, may your chief guide and protect you at all.
It's
I am thirsty. Get me water from my cup.
Here we go. Father. Father. It's already a month since we buried our late people.
And this throne cannot be allowed to remain vacant for a month or two. We have a crown prince, and he must be crowned the king of this our great kingdom.
That being said, what then happens to my daughter and I?
You all know what the tradition says concerning the princess of this land. She holds no right to any property until she is legally married. Only then can some portions of the inheritances can be allocated to her.
So what you're saying in essence is that my daughter and I got nothing as far as this palace is concerned until she gets married.
Why are you sounding as if this is your first time of hearing it? What?
Very well done. Njideka, let's leave this space.
My elders, please. Just calm down. Let me check on them.
What is this? Yeah? Where are you going? Where are you going?
You want to know? We are leaving this palace for good. Yes! Like you heard the elder said, we don't have anything left for us in this palace, so we are leaving you.
It has not gotten to... No, Lizzie, it has not gotten to this. Please calm down. I promise you, once Njideka gets married, Ejike is going to give her her own share of her father's property.
Thank you, but no thanks. You might as well own the whole palace. Claim everything. They are all yours now. For us, we are living. Nonsense. Good riddance to bad rubbish. She will not have a share of her father's property simply because we got married. Njideka.
Moya, ejura yimanja. Her spirit is higher, nene. Kina yanora na the same page. Oh well, there is something in her mind.
So how have you been?
I'm good.
Well, the queen said I should invite you to the palace so she can see you.
I see. Is this your way of proposing marriage to me now?
Let's just say it's an informal way of telling you my mind. But trust me, I will officially propose to you when my chi leads me.
Your chi shouldn't take too long to lead you though.
Are you indirectly saying yes?
Tell the queen I will come see her tomorrow for dinner.
I will.
Everywhere and security stay tight. Must bring that mic on this thing. Yeah? Why they do like small picking self? How old are you? Who even employ you for here, self? I don't even ask you how old are you when we come enter here. They do small to go other girls they do like far away for inside water.
I can't. It's against my morals.
As how now? Against your morals? For chief security officer? Do you know that I am like the commissioner of police of this palace? Every movement I mean they monitor and they argue with me.
You have to go see my parents in case of anything. No.
Look at my now. Go see your parents for small thing one from back collect. What they do this way they do? They know they see parents for this kind of thing. As what way they do with other girls, we say we just bend down and collect. After they put to the commode, they put the commode. I no go let them go inside. Because if you no go inside, no fit come outside. So as I hold them for inside, so I know when to put them outside. So they do this thing, I beg.
Oh my goodness. So you mean you've been sleeping with other maidens in this palace?
What be this girl safe? They talk, they go head office side, they talk, they go branch. Which one we say, they talk to me, give me something, they talk, they accuse me about other girls. You want to challenge me? No, you want to challenge the chief guard. You want to challenge the commissioner of this palace. You know I can handcuff you. You know I can investigate your matter now and get you arrested. Do you know what it is?
I better get out.
No, look at wow. Just over if you can scam bichara. See this one. When the normal say, waiting, I won't even use you to save. Don't say make I do one or two. Hey, who did there? Security is tight.
That guy is mad though. Very stupid somebody.
Who are you talking about?
Who else if not Sam? You need to hear the nonsense he was just telling me now.
Did he tell you? Chika, you are crying. Why? What did he tell you?
He said I should go and confirm from my colleagues how fast he pulls out. Imagine.
How fast?
He deceived me.
How?
You deceived me. Now I'm pregnant for him.
What? You mean you are pregnant for Samu?
Yes.
Wait, have you told him about it?
He said he isn't responsible for it because he pulled out on time, claiming he's Igwe puller.
See, don't let him win. Oh. He must take care of his responsibilities, okay? Don't let him win, he must. In fact, what am I even... Come, let's go and listen. Please, we are coming.
He's Igwe puller. How? I don't understand.
Oh, please, where is them?
He just left for the prince a minute ago.
Chai. No problem. He will come back here to meet me.
I hope everything is alright.
Never mind. Chika, please, let's go.
It's a pleasure to have you in my palace.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I have heard a lot about you. You're beautiful indeed.
Thank you.
No wonder.
My queen, I hope you heard the good ones.
Yeah, yes. My son can't stop talking about you. Mother, I'm going to bring this girl. Mother, if you see this girl, you're going to love her. You're pretty. You're welcome.
Thank you, my
You're
queen.
welcome.
Thank
Welcome
you.
to my palace.
Thank you.
Don't worry, very soon dinner will be served, okay? Let's go inside.
The palace is
It's yours. It's yours. All yours.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you. My honor.
Feel at home, okay?
Thank you, my
You're
queen.
welcome.
Look, I tell you, everything will be transport. Just come. No know me again. Me, I know they take time now. I love you to withdraw. Supposed to do my matana. I don't waste time. Just now. Me self, I don't come. See what you go do. Once you just.
Samu!
Let me call you.
Hey, Mr. Withdrawer. This palace is too small for you to hide, let me tell you. I must find you, and you know.
Who be this one? Me. Chief guard. Hide for you. Little rat. For this palace. What are they hide for you for? What is the matter?
Chika here is pregnant for you. And what do you have to do about it?
Chika here is pregnant for me. And you are here as an advocate or nurse of king. You are the women leader, Abi?
Chika here. She's my colleague.
Okay.
And her business is my business, okay?
Her business is your business.
Yes.
Do you realize you are talking to me? Do you know who I am? Do you know that I am like the commissioner of police of this palace? Do you my man know what? Who goes you to come talk to me? To come talk for where they train boys? Where they train soldiers? After my man know what, when I enter Boy Scout, where you did? I remember then. Even your father cannot stand before my soldiers. They hear they talk to me. Do you know that with this your statement now, I can arrest you. I can handcuff you. And if I investigate this matter, you can go to jail for it. Do you know I'm an officer? When I come up for here.
Sam, you are mad. Huh? You have seen a timid and calm girl you can deceive now, Abi? Oh, there. Let me tell you something. I am fully behind her. Whether you like it or not, you must take full responsibility of this pregnancy. I am telling you,
You are fully behind her.
Yes.
As the more, as the mother of our village, you are behind her. Before me.
Someone like seriously.
We just like seriously. How sure am I responsible for this? How am I be sure that you are pregnant? Don't you that small deposit what I do, withdrawal and deposit what I do for you, now they call them pregnancy. How are you sure? How I take come inside? I don't come inside. What you come outside? What you go start waiting there inside and waiting there outside?
You're not serious at all. You mean you are denying her? You must take full responsibility of this pregnancy, whether you like it or not. I'm telling you.
Whether I like it or not.
Okay.
See, I'm warning for the last time. Do you want me to place you under arrest? I'm telling you, how am I sure I'm the one responsible for this? How are you even sure she's pregnant? Are you a doctor? Are you a doctor? Are you a nurse?
Are you ready or not?
Ready for what?
My queen!
Hey, calm down.
I will shout. I will shout. Are you ready or not?
One matter where they settle for, and every matter they shout. How can you be shouting when the officer is already here? Calm down. Let me see what I can do. See, what will happen? You should go inside. Let me see. I will try to see what I can do into the matter. You know, as an officer, I need to take time to investigate this matter. Look into her and know who is responsible for this.
See, after the investigation, probably I might not be the one responsible for this pregnancy. So it's no matter easy, you have to calm down. You should go inside, I'll come inside.
Oh, guy, you're wasting my time. That's not the reason why I'm here. Are you ready or not?
I say calm down now.
My queen!
Hey, okay, I'm ready. Yes, I am ready. You see, I'm responsible for the security department of this palace. I'm responsible for all the weddings. I'm responsible. Yes, I'm responsible. I'm responsible. It's okay, I'm responsible. I'm responsible for everything, okay?
Please, tomorrow morning, give her money for Adnenta. I don't want to come back here repeating myself. I'm warning you for the last time. Chika, let's go.
Yeah! How is Abioko? This girl, say tomorrow and Adnenta money. Die! This one, forever.
Oh, good morning.
Ah, Chika, good morning. I love the smile on your face. What's the story?
Yes, someone gave me 30,000 naira for my antenatal. All thanks to you.
Thank God. I was about asking you just now. He's lucky, you know.
Yeah. I don't know what else I could have done if not for you. You are sisters. Thank you so much.
You know, in this palace, we are family. We do things for each other. Just come here.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you.
No, I hold it.
What are you doing here? And how did you get to see my address? I took all the pain to come and check if you are okay. What's all this? Oh, I see. As you can see, all well and good. You might as well leave. You can at least ask me to sit down. No, you are not. Sit. No, you are not going to sit down. You are not welcome here. As a matter of fact, I do not want to have anything to do with anyone from the royal household. Use the door. You heard me. Excuse me.
This is the throne of Umuela Kingdom, where my father took most of the traditional decisions.
Oh, that's nice.
Mom, you look down. What is it?
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings, dear one. You're welcome. I am disappointed.
By who?
I visited my mate.
How did it go?
When Lizzie despised us.
Why so much hatred towards us? It's not our fault, it's the tradition.
That woman is a very complicated woman. I'm going to pay her another visit. I pray that she will be on a lighter mood.
Oh, it's alright, okay? Don't get yourself worked up. Everything will be fine, right?
My love, I hope there is no problem.
It's just traditional stuff. You have nothing to worry about, okay?
Okay.
Meanwhile, the elders are in there waiting for you. It's time for you to go see them so that they can see you before we start preparing for our marriage. Best of luck.
Thank you.
My daughter, I came here to inform you of our decision at the cabinet meeting. Your mother is one of us, no doubt about that. Unfortunately, your father is from a Menike kingdom, an outcast. An outcast can never be a queen. You cannot marry her son. I am sorry, but this is what it is. I'm sorry, my daughter. It is what it is. Can I help you?
My love, are you okay? How did it go? You look down. What is it? How did the meeting go?
I want to go home.
Why? Talk to me. What happened? Babe, don't keep me in the dark. What happened? How did the meeting go?
I am not worthy of you.
You don't want me like... Is that what I said to you? Babe, talk to me. What's going on? Babe, my love.
My prince, the maiden you introduced to us can never be the queen of this great kingdom. Okay?
You're right.
Go her.
Why?
It's because she's an outcast, and it is against the custom and tradition of this land. Everyone that will sit on the throne must become a pure blood. She is unfit to sit on a queen's seat. My prince, I implore you to look for another bride, for that one is unfit to become our queen.
She is a lovely young lady and would have made a perfect queen for you. I am sorry. I am sorry things turned out this way.
It's obvious our tradition is like a double-edged sword. But he who wears the shoes knows where it hurts. I swear to God, if not for the responsibilities bestowed upon my shoulders, I would have left.
It's okay, son. The gods knows better. And I believe they will provide you with a better queen. Please. Njideka.
You misread.
Not at all. I came willingly to see you and your mother and to take you back to the palace where you belong.
Now my house be this, waiting happen.
This is not your home, Njideka. The palace is. Njideka.
I thought I warned you never to show your beautifully made but deceptive face around my vicinity.
Or are you in any way trying to trigger the other side of me? Not at all. I'm only here to check on you and your daughter, to be sure you are fine, and to take you both back to the palace where you belong. You are a queen, and you have to live like one.
Oh, really? I am a queen and I have to live like one. Did they think about that when they threw sand and stones on my daughter and I? Did they?
I will take care of that. The only thing is for Njideka to get married, that's all.
Yeah. Get married?
Did they walk you? No, I don't understand. Do I look like I'm desperate for marriage?
Ask her.
Huh? Abi, you want me to tie myself down because of one stupid right? Who you be, Seth? You dey crazy? No. If you no want make a change am for you, I dey crazy so. I dey crazy so. If no one make a change am for you, just dey go. Like, I dey talk. I say make you just dey go. You dey mad? You want make a blood go flow? Blood go flow. Tell am o. I dey crazy so. I dey crazy so.
It's okay, Njideka.
Which one be this husband matter again now? Wetin happen?
Be calm.
I dey crazy so. I dey crazy so. Better one more.
My prince, I do understand how you feel over that outcast woman. But you see, there are more important things to handle first as we stand here.
Why? Why me? Why?
Okay. Why is this? You are the heir apparent to this kingdom and throne. We cannot operate like this without a king. We must do it to avoid the anger of the gods.
Now tell me, can I be crowned king without a wife? Because as it stands now, I don't even know what to do. I don't know where to start from. I don't have any other woman in my head. Alright?
Yes, my prince. You can. The king is the number 1 thing in this kingdom. After the crowning, every other thing can follow.
Let's take a walk.
Your coronation is around the corner.
Yes. Umuele Kingdom needs a king.
I'll be there to support you.
Really? That would mean a whole lot. I want to tell you something. Inasmuch as the gods have declared us incompatible for marriage, I want you to know that I will continue extending my helping hands in taking care of you. Until you find a man you can call your own. Trust me, I'll always be there for you. I will be there to support you physically, spiritually, financially, and otherwise. I'm sorry, okay?
Can I spend one more night with you?
Say no more.
See, always when they walk up and down, not way, no movement, you are see. And they see am.
So you mean say all the things where they go on for you, you see am?
They with me like this. I hold on. Everybody.
That means we don't just get secrets for this palace.
You there with me.
God when no.
Okay, which one is God when? You have started. That's how you go now and stage gossip. People start gossiping up and down. Cho. What is God when? And I'm not with my baby.
I'm not talking anything now. I just admire two of them now.
You don't talk anything. So you have to say everything before you agree that you say something. Please stop it. That's how you can gossip the other day and say that the Igwe is dead. Meanwhile, the chief security officer have not announced it.
I beg. I take God beg you. Put me down. I not be gossip.
As you say you are seeing this girl now. That's how she be doing. I like rats. He be sniffing up and down, poking nose into people's business.
What's up, Bim? She doesn't gossip.
No, don't tell her about this, your friend. Look at her eyes. Like that of rat that is sniffing. Like this, looking for what to discuss. The other day, they gossip that the Igwe is dead. I heard it too, but I just kept quiet. You know, I'm the chief security officer of this palace. I touch light every movement. I can even see everybody's heart and mindset. So I know what I'm saying.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Looking good, normally cha. What did you eat?
It's rice.
You ate rice and you not even drink.
There is fire on the mountain. What's that? There is fire on the mountain.
What is it?
Oh my goodness. I just got an information that AGK is about to be crowned king. I'm telling you, he is about to be crowned king.
The possibility of you becoming the wife of the prime minister of this kingdom is about to slip away from our fingers because of your stupidity. Because of your stupidity!
How is that? How is that my fault?
Whose fault is it then? You were supposed to be that man's wife. But what did you do? You rejected it. Instead, you turned a broken glass in his hands, leaving us with nothing but crumbs.
Oh, please,
we are just crumbs on my...
Mom, stop, please. Give me some slack. Give me time, I'll find someone better. Okay?
Time? Time, you said? Oh my God. What time do you have? Do you know the coronation will be sooner than you think and you're talking about time here? What time do you have? Ha! I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind.
Okay, so what about Lolo? I mean, can't she do something to slow things down? I mean, she's been the one talking about peace. No, be she want peace. She should be able to slow things down.
What do I do?
Mom!
Listen, Mom, it doesn't make sense. I will not put my coronation on hold because of Njideka. She's not worth it. Take a good look at Njideka. Does she look like someone that wants to get married? She cannot settle down in a man's house. So don't stress yourself looking for a husband for her because she will end up disgracing you. Let her find a man herself. So don't wait for that idea. Listen, they are not our family members. They don't see us as family members. No this and no peace. So stop forcing an agenda when there is none. I will not pause my coronation because of Njideka. Oriafia. No, it won't work. How are we even sure she's royal blood? She's not royalty. Nonsense.
You're still awake, Mother.
It's been 3 days. I am yet to hear from Rachel. I seriously do not like the way I feel right now. I feel something fishy is going on somewhere.
She has turned her back against us, Mother. She wants her son to be the only one ruling this kingdom, enjoying the properties and possessions of my father. You see, all those crocodile tears and fake appeals, clearly she is mocking us now. We've been fooled.
The calmness of a crocodile does not mean that it is a prey. The predator is about to hunt his game. They better be ready.
Thank you.
Mazi, you must be wondering why I invited you over. The reason is because there is something I need clarity about. And I looked around, you are the only person that will give me the clarity that I actually deserve.
My queen, what exactly do you want to get from me?
I would like to ask, if my daughter gets married before the coronation, will the husband be eligible to contest for the throne?
My queen, the truth is, once the princess gets married, traditionally her feet is planted on a royal soil. In the absence of the king and an heir, her husband is eligible to contest for the throne. Marrying before or after the coronation of the prince has nothing to do with it, hence she wedded traditionally. In a case where the king is indisposed and has no heir to succeed him, then the husband is eligible to step in.
Thank you. That will be all for now. You may leave.
But my queen, permit me to ask, why this inquiry from me?
Ugochi!
My queen.
She will see you to the door.
Moya, ejura yimanja. Her spirit is higher than high. Gina ya lora na the same page. Oh well, there is something in her mind. Gina ya lora na the same page. Odigo corrupt. Odigo. Ojalo demma. Ojalo.
Njideka. Talking to you.
Hey, Mom. Mom. What's up?
You need to get ready.
Ready?
The time for you to take your place is around the corner.
Okay. That sounds good. So what's the plan?
You are going to play a huge role on this plan. We are attacking the royal household. We are attacking the throne. They will not see us coming, but the heat will be felt massively. I need you to organize a ruthless team. Keep them on standby. Once I blow the whistle, they will attack.
You got nothing to worry about, Mother.
Keep enjoying yourself.
By the power vested on me as the kingmaker of Umele Kingdom, I hereby crown you Igwe Ejike I of Umele. I crown you Neke. I crown you Inori. I crown you Enafo. I crown you Enenkwo. Rise. By the power vested on me as the kingmaker, I thereby hand over to you the staff of authority. Igwe. How may we address you?
I would like to be addressed as Agubon. No moon in the kingdom.
Agumbola 1.
Agumbola 1.
Cheche umwele kwenu. Umwele rienu. Nwano. Zuano. Kwezuano. Please sit. As our custom and tradition demands, we can now proceed to the next segment, which is Iwafala. Shall we? Yes. Please sit.
Oh, my way. We are very happy that your coronation has been done and dusted before the conference of kings. What could have been our fate if we failed to achieve it within this record time?
My king, I think this is a sign that the gods are always on our side.
I am excited that I will be the one representing the people of Umwele Kingdom as their king in the conference. I'm excited because my father told me a lot about the conference and how it unites the sisters' kingdoms. I can't wait to be there and build a sustainable relationship with my co-kings.
Bam. You've said it all. Because in unity we stand. It is a good idea to have a good number of kings as allied into our great kingdom. This will scare away all these intruders from our kingdom. Your father was able to achieve this because he was a peace-loving man and a good fellow. So he was able to do that with ease.
You're right, except one. Though I heard his son took up from him.
Zuba.
Yes.
He's just like a little fly, like his father. Oh, Fenkup.
Let's not ruin this moment with these elders. Trust me, that meeting will be all about peace and unity.
See.
Yeah. You will attack tomorrow. There's a conference of all kings that is going to be held tomorrow in another community. I'd like you to intercept King Ejike before he gets to the venue.
And when I do, what happens?
Delete him from the surface of this earth.
Consider it done.
Let there be war.
Siam, food don't land. Samu Ketri at your service. Anu Abakasa.
Hey, what's this? What's this nonsense?
Which one? What is this nonsense? Oga, I know they talk to you. I talk to my boy. This thing now bush me.
Oga, keep this thing down. Choice you may know.
But I need to explain to this bush meat. If you chop this, you go get power, go get energy. We go tell you waka for this bush. I say, oh play, oh, this thing a better meat, oh.
Mind the way you talk to me. I am not your mate. I have your type in my palace.
You see what I know they like for here now. You see what I know they like. They're there for bush now. They drag me. We're there for village meeting. You know who be made for your. Now this is going to have the respect to me. If you don't get a one-on-one.
Enough, Samu. He just asked a harmless question.
My king, this question I ask, if I prepare this, you no go top am. You better not go there for this thing. Huh?
Work on it.
Work on what? Excuse me. You don't expect us to eat this thing, no garnishing, no spicy? How do we eat it?
See what they talk now. Then they garnish something for inside forest. Bush meat. If I roast this thing now, I can't eat it. You
too much.
No eat. Man, see your hand for inside. So you no go eat this shit. Now you be the Igwe.
No. Listen, I am not going to eat that nonsense.
No eat.
I won't eat it.
I don't give you.
This is food poisoning. But not for this. Not for this.
Okay.
How are you coping with this clown? For crying out loud, this guy is a clown.
People like this are needed once in a while. Calm down.
You cannot lie to me twice. Where is King Ejike? I have to protect him.
Daughter of the sun, the gods have never lied to you before.
Oh yes, they have. I was told that my destiny will be intertwined with that of King Ejike. But here I am today, not worthy to be his queen.
You are the one who is interpreting the gods wrongly. Yes, your destiny will be intertwined with the king, but never said it will be in matrimony.
Where is he?
This is a part of your destiny. He is still breathing, but not for long. What chases after him could kill him if care is not taken. Are you certain you are up for this?
I am.
A child that wishes to swallow other seed must make sure his anus is very strong. Papa said you can hear that I thought Ongiga. Uruala can hear you with the lake. I thought to say Ongiga. Makana John Cat, but I know here. Kedi say with the lake. Cross over. Cross over. Use your back. Cross truly. Apa tu pala honde mo. Oya te kabro ya bro ga magi ni makano ga kara ke ruola no. Akadako time. Daughter of the sun. The gods are with you.
this one? How dare she barge into? Who invited her in the first place?
She's getting ready to indulge in our war. She must be stopped, else everything we worked for will be sabotaged.
Never. Anyone who dares to intercept my mission will be crushed like a pork in between the teeth. Umunabo spares no one.
Umunabo! Umunabo! Umunabo!
Your Highness! When did you return? I thought you were... Your Highness. When did you return?
Come join me. I've missed you. It's not too long I go back. Come join me. I really missed you.
Is this really...
I am fine. Please sit.
Where have you been? I searched everywhere for you. Where did you go?
It's a long story, my dear. I'll tell you everything later. I missed you too, my darling.
Oh, it's a dream.
Chika. Oh my God. Chika, what happened? Why are you crying?
I hope Bimi's not back. I hope he's safe.
Ini, there is no news about him and the king yet. But you don't have to lose hope. They may still be alive. Who knows?
Then where is he? He's supposed to be in the palace like a farm. Where is the father of my unborn child?
Chika, it's okay. Stop crying. You might fall sick. Remember your condition. Let's pray they come back alive, okay? All they need now is our prayers and not your tears. Please, just stop. Stand up, let's go inside. I don't want anybody to come here and see you like this. Okay?
Stop crying.
Please.
Let's go inside. Stop crying.
Princess, I am here for your brother, the king.
Interesting. But how did you get here? Crossing the river separating Omuele Kingdom from this place.
I had help. That shouldn't be of worry to you. Any progress on your search?
I think so. This way.
Let's do it.
What are you doing? Clearing the barrier to my mission. I see. You're protected, huh? That's how you got here. Huh?
So it is you. You're responsible for all of this? Why? Princess?
I have no goddamn explanation to give to you.
What are you fighting for?
Somebody help me! Can you hear me? Hello? What is this? Somebody help! Help me!
Is there any news on the whereabouts of our king?
Ichi, I have waited for results. I have waited for miracle. Yet nothing. Nothing at all.
The police, what are they saying?
I doubt they are still interested in this case. Because I've not heard anything from them.
This is bad. The longer it takes, the more slimmer the chance of getting back. What are we going to do?
Ichi, if I know my brother will be here as we speak, I have run out of options. My head is empty. I don't know what else to do.
I want it. If I do, I may see a joy.
My queen, is everything alright? I had a bad dream about my son. Have the guards come back with any news concerning him?
No, Your Majesty. Nothing yet.
Go and sleep. I need to be left alone.
Alright, Your Majesty. If you need anything, do not hesitate to call. Good night.
This journey is becoming too long. We've crossed 2 rivers, yet we've not gotten to our destination. Where are we headed? I'm tired of walking. Take me back to my kingdom.
My king, you have to calm down. No say your blood dey hot. Calm down, make I observe, make I check the environment. And just like 2 steps now, make we throw one.
We have been working for too long. Have you forgotten I'm a king? I'm tired of working.
Silence. Silence.
Waiting.
I can hear some noise. I can hear the footstep.
Okay, wait, make I observe now. Make I
Shut
observe.
up! Shut up! I said I can hear footsteps.
So it's you, whiny tukwa na nyumamele, a butterfly that calls itself a bird.
I, Njideka, will rather die than watch you take what rightfully belonged to me. Ejike, I will beat you like a boy. And then I will kill you.
I see. So nega wagonyegi. Izagara was yaga.
Ejike!
You fool!
See what now? You sabi swim?
I have no choice. I have no choice on this. I have to go through this water.
Sabi swim?
Where is King Zuba?
My king.
Where is Zuba?
Zuba, I don't know. You know, say, that idiot say now water picky. Maybe people don't carry him. You don't buy. No.
Zuba dead?
My king, help me.
Why would the gods let that happen?
My king, I am dying.
Kai.
My king, I want a man. Oh.
Samu?
Nandi.
What did you do for ground?
Nanda. My leg is like a bandage. About something bullet inside my leg.
Samu?
Help me. Help me. They shoot me.
Yes. My king. This thing, but it's like a bomb. Sorry.
Male, you don't show? Male, I take no say I dey die.
So you take him home now.
Nandi, take her easy.
Make her carry you for back.
Hey, the bandits.
Hey, Samu.
Sorry.
Sorry, yeah. Sorry.
The bandits, they whim.
What are you fighting for?
Who are you?
I should be
be asking you that. You go first. Are you a spirit?
Can't be a spirit. I am King Zuba. Very large wind blew me into this godforsaken place. Where am I? I said I'm not a ghost. I am King Zuba. What about you? What's your name and what are you doing here?
Chanel. My name is Chanel. I came in search of a king, just like you. But I was caught in a fight that landed me here.
A king? And what king, if I may ask?
King Ejike of Umele Kingdom. I heard of his attack. I decided to come down here to rescue him. But turns out I am the one now in need to be rescued. I don't even know where this place is.
Ejike. You came to rescue him?
Yes.
How is that possible? This King Ejike, you must hold to heart for you to have come this far to rescue him, like you said.
He is dear to me. I was supposed to spend the rest of my life with him. But
wow. From your stories, Ejike's sister is behind this. But if you say you came spiritually prepared, why then are we still here?
I tried. But looks like my powers isn't strong enough.
Then you have to try again. I want to see.
It's not working. It's not. See? See? It's not even penetrating. It keeps repelling my spell.
You have to keep trying. This was the path I came through. Try this other route.
Are you sure it's going to work?
Just go ahead.
It's not working! It's not!
Mother, I'm standing before another river, but I can't find them. I think I've lost them. They must have gone through it. But I need you to help me locate them. Okay. Alright.
We are doomed. There's no way out.
My father used to tell me something when I was still a boy. He said water is a path or bridge between dimensions, just as its mirrors between the earth is also a depth beneath the earth. Let's try it. Let's try this route.
What if you are wrong? What if it doesn't work?
Then we'll keep striving until it works. We need to get out of this place. Go ahead. Go.
It's not working. It's not working. This is not working. It's not working. It's not.
Try again.
Huh?
Oh yes, you have to try. We need to get out of this place. Just try this time. Go ahead.
The last one.
Just go.
Where are you hiding? Where are you hiding?
It seems it was chasing.
We must keep looking for him. Yes, we must stop. Ejike, show yourself. Show yourself. Ejike, show yourself. Show yourself. Ejike, you must show yourself. You must show yourself. You must show your face, Ejike. Show your face.
I
Where the hell is it? Huh? You want to talk? Where the hell is it?
Behold the assassin who is after your lives.
I know she's my stepsister, but I don't know why she wants me dead by all means.
If I have my way, I will still kill you over and over again.
You'll never have your way because evil will never prevail.
I will kill you. Ejike! I, Njideka, will kill you!
You are supposed to live and die as royalty. But because of your greed and stupidity, you will die like a commoner and your name will never be remembered.
Die! Die!
Please! Okay, please! Please, please! Please! My mother sent me, please! I don't want to die!
I didn't show you only Bubongo. I didn't show you only Bubongo.
Please! It was my mother that sent me! My mother sent me! I don't want to die! Ejike! Ah! Ah!
I didn't show you only Bubongo. I didn't show you only Bubongo. Thank you very much for all you did. From the depth of my heart, I really appreciate. Once I return to my kingdom safe and sound, I will return this favor.
You're welcome.
Please, how do I get to my kingdom? I hope I'm not crossing two rivers again.
No. I will make things easier for you.
No, Male, don't make them easy. Make it suffer. Nothing. Now my king with it so. My rugged king go. King will get swag. He need to pass through the hard road now so that when he reach the kingdom, they go no say na strong king. Not be so.
You make more sense when you're not talking.
The gods will decide.
It's up to God. You educated. It's up to God. You are brilliant. It's up to God. It does not make you a god over others. It does not make you a god over others. Being royalty is a privilege, you know, God. Not by merit at all. So be careful, the fire you light up, we consume it. Hey, come on there, bro. The walls are happened, the walls are happened, baby. What I cannot say anything. Which way are we now? My house, my ring, the fellow. I cannot say anything about it.
Njideka. How come you are here? Hey! Njideka! Oh, Njideka, where is Njideka? Where is Njideka? Where is Where is Hope?
She's dead.
She's dead! Hey! Somebody help me! Oh! I should be next door!
No.
Get me water. You can't see I'm finished.
Oginika naza Oginike jiri buo mmadu Oginika naza Oginike jiri buo mmadu. What are you fighting for? Oginika naza. Why are you like this? Oginike jiri buo mmadu.
The king is back! The king is back! The king is back!
Arrogance and pride, na key to failure. Onye bara kwalulu, singwere bere yo. That you are real.
My son?
It's up to God. You educated. It's up to God. You are brilliant. It's up to God. It does not make you a god over others. It does not make you a god over others. Be royalty is a privilege.
Mother, we've been to hell and back. And my stepsister and her mother instigated everything.
What?
They even shot my guard.
Queen Lizzie and Princess Njideka did this?
Mother, we have a lot to talk about. But let's go in first.
Not by merit. This light will light you up. We conjure you one day.
My baby, my baby.
Please.
Achalugo, what's up now? Can you pay them to see your face now? What affect your network? Eh?
Leave me alone.
What did I do?
Seriously, you're asking me that.
I don't know that you're angry now. Sorry now. What did I do?
I've been praying and fasting, thinking that bad thing have happened to you.
Okay, nothing have happened to me. You see, nobody will pray for bad thing to happen to him or her. I am fine. Eh?
I'm happy you are okay. I miss you.
Hey, I miss you more, my baby. Yeah. Hey. I miss you. See, I
miss you.
I'm out of my chamber. I will love fun the way it's there. I'm buying here.
How is your leg?
You got it. At the balance, the balance much more.
Good. Please sit. Pick this. This is the symbol of authority as Prime Minister of this kingdom.
You cannot understand. What is handle?
I just appointed you as the Prime Minister of Umuele Kingdom. And that is your staff of authority.
No lie. Go there wine. You won't play me prank. Let's do this one now.
If you are not interested, you can drop it.
Why am I not going to accept that? Are they crazy? Hey! Hey, Igwe, thank you. God bless you. Hey! Oh God. This God no be mumu. God no be Josie man. So from chief guard to prime minister. Igwe, to be well with you. God bless you.
Listen, you saved my life. That means you deserve more. Your unveiling ceremony will happen soon. I'm already working on that.
You go be our Igwe forever. Any months now you go buy the
for this land make it bite me. Any bullet will go hit you, any death will go kill you, make it kill me. Hey, see me now. From chief guard to prime minister. God, may God bless you. God, thank you. God, thank you. Hey, you go, thank you. Thank you. You can say, hi! Igwe, God bless you. Any mosquito will go bite you, make it bite me. You go be our Igwe forever. Any death will go kill you, make it kill me. Any bullet will go hit you. Oh God, thank you. God, may God bless you for making me a prime minister. Thank you again. Thank you.
Greetings, my king.
How is your family?
Everything is well. Good. My king, I have some news that might interest you.
What is it?
There are rumors that King Zuba is alive and active in his kingdom.
How certain is this story?
A reliable source has confirmed it.
In that case, I need to see for myself immediately.
Igwe.
Who do we have here? King Zuba. King Zuba.
You are alive.
Yes, I'm alive. You're welcome.
Greetings.
So tell me, did you get to meet with your stepsister? I was told she's the architect of the whole problems.
Yes, I did. But how did you know?
My friend, I got a help from someone. Someone very important. No, please.
Good to hear.
Good to see you too.
All thanks to the constant mercy.
King Zuba, behold, the woman that saved my life and that of my sister.
How possible is this? How possible is this?
I came in search of you by the forest to rescue you. Sadly, I was stopped by your sister. Then I found myself in a void where I couldn't escape. I tried. Then, King Zuba here was flushed in as well. We saved each other's lives. Then I realized what the gods had kept for me.
I understand your past with her, right? But I tell you, the gods brought us together for a reason. And we both are deified together.
May the gods be praised.
Yes, sir.
I'm happy that the gods have given you what you truly deserve. But that doesn't stop me from fulfilling my promise of helping you even in marriage.
Thank you.
Hi. Welcome. Ejike, my good friend.
King Ejike.
King Ejike, my good friend. Well, I understand your promises, but that won't be necessary. Alright? Our kingdoms have been arch rivals for decades. So let us call it a truce. Let's be united in harmony.
I accept. Yes. By the time we attend the conference which have been rescheduled, we will tell the 7 other kings of different kingdoms that Umwele Kingdom and Ozoba are now in peace.
Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome. Having said that, now that you've gotten a piece of me, it won't be bad if I get a piece of you as well.
But let me ask, is it no longer against your custom and tradition to get married to an outcast or an outsider?
Not even when the outsider is of royal blood. Royalty nullifies that custom.
Now you've heard that from the kingmaker.
King Ejike, you have always have your ways to many things. But trust me, you have this one. You have my blessings. You have my blessings.
Thank you. Thank you. May the gods be praised.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wisdom.
There is trouble in the land. Everybody's afraid. There is trouble.